Joe Gedicke, and I'm an asbestos inspector. Any amount of asbestos is bad. It's cumulative. So you can breathe some in today, a little bit. It might not bother you. And in a month, you walk down the road and, by a demolition site, breathe in a little more. So the more you breathe in, the worse it is. It's very light. The fibers, you can't see them. They remain airborne for a long time. If we go into a building or home that's being abated and there's friable asbestos involved, for instance, pipe wrap, we have to have full PPO on. We have the Tyvek suit with the full face mask enclosed.
I check to see if it's sealed. Checked up against my face. Normally this would be all sealed up if they're actively doing an abatement. And not right now, so we just got to make sure that there's no asbestos getting out when they demo the building.
Like if it's in the summer, there's a lot of activity, a lot of times, kids running around, and, they'll ask what I'm doing, or, the parents will ask what I'm doing. I explain to them and try to get them to understand exactly what it is, what's dangerous about it, so that they feel that they're talking to a friend rather than, someone from the government. Thousands of homes being demolished in Detroit alone. Pretty much everyone in the city that lives there has experienced some sort of demolition, whether it's on their street or someone they know. Or it's just so it's such a huge project. After it was my first year when I was here. One of the homes I did was my grandparents' homes. They lived in East Detroit, and the home was dilapidated, falling apart. It was going to be demolished. And I remember going from room to room, and I had memories. It's kind of sad to see the demolition, but know in the back of my mind that it has to be done, and it'll make the city better. So, kind of gives me a little incentive to, try and help that in any way I can. So if I can keep the air clean and that'll help, then I try and do that.